if we talk about coffee in India, it's not cappuccino, latte, mocha, or frappe. What most of Indian love is classic filter coffee, or we can call it filter kaapi. So we guys will use basic traditional method of filter coffee. So this is classic filter, very easily available nowadays across the globe on all the websites. Let's begin. So I'll be using around 2 spoons of coffee. If you guys prefer your coffee to be strong, you can use around 2.5 spoon. I prefer my coffee to be very strong. So of course I will be using more of coffee. So I'm using fresh grounded dark roast coffee. You can use dark roast or medium roast as well. Next, let's press this coffee. Make sure you don't press hard. If you will press hard, it will be very difficult for water to pass from the coffee. Let's do this. Next, we're gonna add water to this. Next, we'll wait for around 10 to 12 minutes till we get the concoction in the small container below this. Let's boil milk. So I'm adding sugar to this. It's optional. If you guys love your coffee to be bitter, don't add sugar. Let's bring this to boil first. So what we guys can see is our coffee concoction is created now. So we'll just wait for our milk to boil and we'll add coffee to milk. As we can see, milk is about to boil. Just gonna add coffee to this. Add coffee as per your preference. I love my coffee to be bitter. In traditional method, no frother is used. Coffee is mixed by the method of yard. Let's do it. Let's mix it like this around 5 to 6 times. And what we can see is good froth is being created. Let's serve this. Let's add a little bit of froth to the coffee. Even during this modern time, most of our countries still love the traditional filter coffee. So guys, make sure you try this. I'm sure you will love this.